In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in to your Trust Wallet on another device. So if you need to recover your Trust Wallet account, the first thing you need to do is just head over to Trust Wallet. Now, I'll be doing this on my computer. However, if you're looking to do this on your mobile phone, do not worry, because the process will be exactly the same. So if you're using your mobile phone, what you want to do is just open up the Trust Wallet app. However, if you're following along on PC, you can just open up the Trust Wallet extension. From here, it's going to give us a few different options. However, since we're trying to log in on a new device, we're going to have to click this middle option, which is import or recover wallet. From there, it's going to ask us to set a password. And this is used to protect our wallet. So the password needs to be 8 or more characters, at least one uppercase character, at least one digit, and at least one symbol. And once you've done that, you can confirm that password in the second box, and then you can read and agree to the terms and services, and then you want to click next. And from here, we will need to import our secret phrase. Now, you can choose between a 12-word secret phrase or a 24-word secret phrase. Now, if you're unsure what this is, you will have actually received one of these secret phrases when you first set up your wallet. And they would have advised that you write these 12 or 24 words down on a piece of paper so that you can keep them safe. So in order to log into our Trust Wallet or recover our old account, you must actually have these 12 or 24 words. Unfortunately, if you did lose this 12-word seed phrase, then that means that you will not be able to access your wallet and it may be gone forever. However, if you do have access to this 12-word seed phrase, you can simply enter all the words in these boxes and then you can click next. And as long as you have typed in your secret phrase correctly, then you will then have access to your wallet and the password will be reset with the password we just entered. So that's how you can recover your Trust Wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.